Here's I will show you how to connect Siri with ChatGPT-4 in any iPhone. First of all, go to your App Store and search for ChatGPT. Install the free ChatGPT app and now open the ChatGPT app and sign into your account. Now go to your Shortcuts app, select Shortcuts and let's create a new shortcut. In search actions, type here ChatGPT. And here you have to select chat, open ChatGPT voice, tap on done. After that, go to your iPhone settings. In settings, tap on accessibility. Here select touch and go down, tap on back tap, select double tap, go down. Under shortcut section, here you will find open ChatGPT voice shortcut that we just created. So select open ChatGPT voice shortcut. And now to open your ChatGPT, you have to double tap on your iPhone backside. So let's do it. So I'm double tapping on my iPhone backside. And as you can see, ChatGPT is open. Now I'm going to lock my phone and let's double tap on my iPhone backside. And after verifying your Face ID, the ChatGPT will be open. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.